This is Sanjay Nathani. I'm General Manager for Hitachi Vantara of Middle East and Pakistan region. Well, LEAP is a great event. I think it's a great technology event that's been put together by Saudi Arabia. We are looking at showcasing or sharing our technology in this event. We are also looking at some good partners and create some new partnerships for the kingdom in this event. So we are, you know that our DNA is storage business, right? So we are kind of the leaders in that space. However, we are also looking at introducing or discussing digital-based solutions for the various, whether it's government or private organizations, because those are the ones which are going to lead to innovations, and they need to basically look at those areas now to innovate and go into that direction. So that's what we are looking at the moment. Well, LEAP, as I said, it's a great event for the kingdom, and meeting people over here and discussing these solutions with them, both whether they are public sector organizations or private organizations, the financial institutes. The fact that we are all in one place, we can meet them together and have this discussion is helping us. Oh, we've had some wonderful meetings over the last, among yesterday and this morning. We've some very good meetings, and we're looking forward to continuing on those meetings over the coming time. Well, I think we will increase our participation in the next edition for sure. Looking at how LEAP has pulled a massive crowd, I think it was a little bit of a surprise for everybody. They were not expecting so much of people to come in. So I think that's a very positive thing for LEAP, for the kingdom in particular. And, we have been one of the sponsors with LEAP, and this partnership has been great with them this year. We look forward to growing this partner next year as well.